In this lecture, we are learning frequency spectrum of amplitude modulation wave. We know that there are two types of representation. One is called as a frequency domain representation, and another is time domain representation. First of all, we will see what you mean by a frequency spectrum. So frequency spectrum is a graph of frequency of on x-axis and amplitude on y-axis. So in the previous lecture we have seen the equation of amplitude modulated wave. So this is called as a EAM. EAM is amplitude modulated wave is equals to, so this is a we have already learned this equation, how it derived. So we are using this equation for today's lecture. So EAM is equals to EC plus EM cos omega mt into the bracket cos omega ct. So in the last expression we have not resolved this term. So now we will simplify the term and will get the all components of the particular wave. So this is the final term. So we are taking EC common. So if we take EC common, then it will be equals to EC. If we take common, then EC is in the bracket 1 plus EM by EC cos omega mt in the bracket complete cos omega ct. So cos omega ct is the component of carrier signal and cos omega mt is the component of modulating signal or baseband signal. As we know that EM by EC, EM is the peak amplitude of modulating signal and EC is peak amplitude of carrier signal. So we have simplified this term by using the term is equals to M. So as predefined modulation index. So in the last lecture we have seen what you mean by modulation index. So value of modulation index will be between 0 to 1. So M is equals to EM by EC. So we will replace this term EM by EC by M term. Now we will use the same equation. EAM is equals to EC in the bracket 1 plus M. Now we replace EM by EC by M. And cos omega t bracket completes and whole brackets into cos omega ct. So this is our whole equation. Now we will use one formula. If I multiply the cos term inside, then I will get here first term as EC cos omega ct plus M into 2 cos terms. So we are considering this as cos A, and this we are considering this is as A and this as B. Now the value of A and value of B. So we have a formula as 2 cos A into cos B is equals to cos in the bracket A plus B plus cos A minus B. So we will use this standard formula to simplify our amplitude modulated equation. So we are using this equation, and where the value of A is equals to omega mt and value of B is equals to omega ct. Omega mt is the is equals to 2 pi fm. Fm is the frequency of our baseband signal, and 2 pi fc value of omega c is 2 pi fc, and fc is the frequency of our carrier signal. So here the final equation will be as we are getting here, EAM is equals to EC cos omega ct. So this is called as a carrier signal component plus. Now here we will use the formula. Here we will use the formula as we don't have the 2 in our equation. So what we will do, M EC by 2, and we will write the modified form of the equation like cos in the bracket omega c plus omega mt plus MEC by 2 cos omega c minus omega tt. Now we will find out what are these components which we get in the equation. So the first component is EC cos omega CT. So this is EC is a peak value of carrier signal, omega C is equals to 2 pi FC, and this whole component is a component of carrier wave which we are using in the amplitude modulation. So this is a carrier wave component which we are getting in the final expression. Second component is omega C plus omega M. So as the frequency is adding with each other, this is called as upper side band component. And next component is omega C minus omega MT. So this is here we are subtracting the frequencies. So this is called as a lower side band component of the signal. Now we'll see the time domain representation. So here this is the so this is the amplitude and frequency. So amplitude and the frequency. So this is amplitude is lower sideband component amplitude is EMC by 2, and this is a lower sideband component. The amplitude of the carrier wave is EC. This is a carrier signal component, and this is the amplitude of upper sideband component is MEC by 2. So this is the F frequency of upper sideband. So this graph we have completed with amplitude versus frequency graph. Now here, so if we want to calculate the bandwidth will be 2 FM. Okay, because bandwidth is equals to F upper band minus F lower band. So we'll put the value of upper band value is FC plus FM and lower band value is FC minus FM. So bandwidth is equals to 2 FM. So this is regarding the equation of amplitude modulation and components available in amplitude modulation. Thank you.